Don't scroll away. Right now, you are watching this video because you are hoping for a magic spark of energy to hit you. You are waiting to feel ready to study. But I have to tell you a brutal truth. That feeling is never coming. You have been scammed by the idea of motivation. You think you need to feel good to start working. But neuroscience shows that your brain is actually lying to you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to prove to you that motivation is a myth. And I will show you a biological hack that forces your brain to enjoy studying even when you are tired. If you click off now, you will stay stuck in the same loop forever. But if you watch till the end, you will never need willpower again. Let's start with a familiar scene. You sit down at your desk, you open your textbook, you have your highlighters ready, everything is perfect. But then, you pick up your phone. Just 5 minutes, you say. 2 hours later, you are still scrolling, and the guilt is eating you alive. You tell yourself, I'm just not motivated today. I'll wait until I feel like studying. Here's what is actually happening inside your head. When you think about a difficult task like studying math or writing an essay, the pain centers in your brain, specifically the insula, actually light up. Your brain perceives the idea of studying as physical pain, so naturally, it tries to protect you by distracting you with something easy, like TikTok. But here's the secret. The pain only lasts for the first few minutes. Once you start, the pain center calms down. The problem isn't the studying, the problem is the starting. So, how do we cross that pain barrier? We need a system. Rule number 1, the do something principle. Most people think the order is inspiration, then motivation, then action. But psychology shows it's actually a loop. Action leads to inspiration, which leads to motivation. You don't study because you are motivated. You get motivated because you are studying. Action creates momentum. You have to push the car before the engine starts. Rule number 2, the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I will study for just 5 minutes. If I hate it, I can stop. This lowers the threat level for your brain. It's easy to commit to 5 minutes. But once you start, a psychological phenomenon called the Zeigarnik effect kicks in. Your brain hates leaving tasks unfinished. So once you open that book, you will likely keep going for an hour. Rule number 3, stop passive studying. Reading a textbook and highlighting lines is the worst way to learn. It's boring, and your brain falls asleep. You need active recall. Close the book and try to explain the concept to an imaginary 5-year-old. When you struggle to explain it, your brain releases norepinephrine for alertness and acetylcholine for focus. That struggle is not a sign of failure. It is the chemical signal that learning is happening. Rule number 4, design your environment. Willpower is a limited resource. If your phone is on your desk, your brain is burning energy just to ignore it. Put the phone in another room. Clear the clutter. Your physical environment dictates your mental clarity. Rule number 5, the Pomodoro technique with a twist. Work for 25 minutes, break for 5. But here is the critical twist. In your 5-minute break, do not check your phone. If you flood your brain with cheap dopamine from Instagram during the break, you won't be able to focus when you return. Instead, stare at a wall, stretch, or drink water. Let your brain be bored. Boredom resets your attention span. You are not bad at studying. You're just relying on a feeling that doesn't exist. Motivation is for amateurs. Discipline is for professionals. So here is your challenge. As soon as this video ends, do not click on another video. Put your phone away, open your book, and work for just 5 minutes. Just start. You are capable of more than you think. Now go.